Sa naging birthday celebration ng nag-iisang pop star royalty na si Sarah Geronimo, ay samut-sari ang naging reaksyon o emosyon ng mga netizens. Karamihan ay naiyak sa ginawa ni Matteo Guidicelli para sa kanyang misis, kung saan, ayon sa caption ng post ni Matteo, "I just want you to be happy every day. Happy birthday my love." Ayon nga sa iilang komento ng mga netizens, talagang naman pasabog every year ang birthday greeting ni Mr. Love, seeing you both grow in love. God bless you always Ashmat, and happy birthday to our Queen Sarah Geronimo. Happy birthday our Queen Idol. Happy for you both. Pero, nakakasad pag malungkot si Idol. May all your wish come true. She seems sad. My opinion. Maybe, she misses her parents. It's been a long time. Don't know why my tears suddenly fell down when I saw Sarah wish him. Just so sincere and with utmost tender hope in her face. Hoping for all your wishes to come true, Idol Sarah. Hindi ako ang may birthday, pero, bakit naiiyak ako? Happy birthday Sarah Geronimo. You deserve all the happiness and love.